Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve the error message 0xc10100be that you're experiencing on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. And the error message reads that it cannot play. And then for more details, it says that this file isn't playable. That might be because the file type is unsupported, the file extension is incorrect, or the file is corrupt. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. First thing I recommend doing would be just to go ahead and actually attempt to re-download the file. There is a good chance that it is a corrupted file, in which case you would just want to reinstall it fresh onto your computer and see if that has then resolved the problem. You may also want to temporarily turn off or disable your antivirus software on your computer, as it may be detecting the file erroneously as being malicious, in which case you can also set an exception or exclusion within the antivirus product itself, which would then exclude it from further detection down the road. Something else you can take a look into here as well would be to use a different video player. So instead of using movies and TV or the Windows Media Player app, perhaps, you might want to consider trying VLC Player or another media application if it's a specific type of video codec file that might not be readable by different video playing software on your computer. You may want to look into that option as well. VLC Player is a pretty popular and versatile option for that. You may want to consider downloading and installing that application as well and see if that would then allow that media file to be played successfully. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.